Mr. Shelby, may I tell you something? You have a lot of
many enemies. Does your ambition have no limits?
I have no limitations.
I have no limitations.
Keeping on back for the legs say something. Never tell her back that I never stay running. Sipping on facts, damn know I got stacks in the lab. Taking bitches straight for another cat.
Welcome to Market Makers, everyone. Your home for tomorrow's TA today. I have several videos out today for your viewing pleasure. I have a silver video where I share my silver trade, show you how you can participate if you wish to trade silver as well. And I have the markets video coming out after this Bitcoin video. Be sure to like them all so YouTube suggests my videos. I release them in clusters since I segregate all of the assets, guys. Release them in clusters, so give them all a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Trade with us on Bitunix. They sponsor the channel. Anybody can trade there, including the USA. All you need is an email. No VPN, no KYC. Get our bonus, use our link, support the channel. It's greatly appreciated. Check us out on marketmakers.trade to join our Discord. It's fantastic. Big macro pattern on Bitcoin we cover extensively. Couple of key takeaways, guys. 50% growth moves in the price of Bitcoin, all in trend before the retracements. The next 50% growth move would take you to 168. We also have several patterns that get you to our key targets. What are our two key targets? 132, say it with me, and 168. Those are our two key targets. How do we get there? Well, from a basic TA perspective, a doubling of the range, identified here if this trend line, takes you to 132. Beautiful, right? From an ABC pattern, which is how originally I had this denoted, as you guys know, our ABC pattern takes you beautifully to 132 at a 200% expansion. And the key with ABCs, which I teach a fractal trading course available on marketmakers.trade, the key with ABCs is, do they track accurately to give you the proof that the Fibonacci is interacting with the price? And it hit 109, which was the target, 109,947, hit it perfectly and gave you the big 33% retracement. And now you hit it again and you're retracing again. So we know it's tracking. This can expand harmonically to both the 200% at 132 and also the 2618 at 168. So you're always looking for confluence. What other patterns do we have that get you there? 3 waves to a top. Again, another course that I taught. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 takes you to 132. Measurable as well. So we can pull this down, measure this, get our 3 waves to a top, and then look at this. So we need to add our 2618 onto here as well. Add the 2618, and then look at the magic. I showed you this a couple of videos ago. Your 200% and your 1618, 3 waves to a top, boom, right on top of each other. And then look at the 2618, 168, right on top of each other. We know 132 and 168 will be your key levels. I think you're getting to 132 in the summer rally. If we get the massive max bull blow off top, I think you're getting to 168. So let's continue. Let's look at some zoomed in TA. What else is playing out super effectively if you watch my channel? Lunar cycles according to Bitcoin. Prior 3, bottom, bottom, bottom. Wave up, wave up, wave up. Last 3, top, went sideways. Top to the day, went sideways. Top, rolled over. Next key pivot, June 12th, guys. Is it not possible? We just do this move. Chop sideways. June 12th comes, we start moving up to our level targets. Next resistance is 119.6, which we'll call 120. And then look at this. 131,871, and then of course 2618 would take you up to that 168. So again, it's just going to be levels as you come up here. 145's there in the middle, but levels as you come up here. But that key pivot is June 12th. Okay, so you're going to be chopping, possibly retracing around to that June 12th region, and you have Fibonacci from your current top here. You have this range from your previous all-time high down to that retracement low, gives you once again a third level of confluence, actually a fourth level of confluence for these targets. 132, extreme confidence. Max bull case, you're going to 168, okay? And look how Bitcoin is tracking to the lunar cycles. If we zoom into the 5-hour time frame, we talked about possible retracement levels. Originally, I identified this level down here between 97 and 93, this cluster of candles, which could still happen, but Bitcoin is holding up so nicely at the higher level, right? And your higher level right here, denoted, you can look at this fractal low, 100,693. Look what Bitcoin's doing. It's just bouncing off of previous resistance and using it as support, 103,584. You had made a nice double top and our beautiful kill box up here. And then what did you do? You made your double top. You rolled down. You're finding support. You're trying to hold. Maybe you come lower down to the 100K region. If you can hold this, this is max bullish, guys. Super bullish. Watch that pivot June 12th, okay? Watch that pivot June 12th. Look how these have played out, right? Look how these have played out. Not to the day, although this one was to the day, but this gave you the top, the signs of a top, Fibonacci resistance, pattern resistance, and you rolled down. So you just want to watch this. You want to see if you can hold above 100K. You're going to get chopped. June 12th is what, 10 days away? So anything could happen in 10 days, right? We're living in a world where we get a tweet, can move the market up or down. So 100K is a key level. Below that, 93 to 97K, which was the original level I thought we would retrace to. And as we watch this, we're going to be looking for bullish reversals. We're here on a 5-hour time frame, right? We're going to be looking for bullish reversals. Do we start getting higher lows? Does June 12th roll around and we just start doing this and elevating? Can we get a breakout trade? Can we get a shakeout trade, a pivot low type trade? We'll be watching this. Stay tuned to the channel for all of the TA guys. Again, be sure to like and subscribe. Market video out next.